Hello, happy learning everyone. Here I'm back with yet another tool to create question papers easily. Tell me one thing, have you come across a situation while discussing during the class with the students, like you have shown them a nice video or you have discussed a nice article with them and you feel like let's test their understanding. I've shown a nice video, we discussed a lot, and now let me test their understanding whether they have understood the concept properly or not. Yes, even I have came across this situation. So I found out this wonderful tool for you guys named Prep AI. Yes, you heard it correctly, Prep AI, which will allow you to copy paste the link of that video which you liked and you discussed with your children. The link of that video, you just need to copy and paste over there and it will generate a fantastic worksheet for you. Apart from that, you can also ask ChatGPT to generate the data for you, and you can copy and paste that data and it will generate a nice worksheet for you. So here, let's get started and we'll discuss about this nice tool called Prep AI. So how to go about it? Initially, what you need to do is just Google for Prep space AI. I'm repeating, there has to be space in between the words Prep space AI, like this. And it will give you a link. You just click the first ever link which you find in the Google and you will come over here. Prepai.io slash about slash. So that doesn't matter. And it will ask you to log in further, like tech demo. So here are some features. And when I'll click get started, it will redirect you to this page where it will ask you to log in. Now, since I have already logged in, this is showing me this particular window. Right now how to log in? That is another easy part. Like if you can just log in with your Gmail ID or any other ID, whatever you use, Microsoft ID or school ID, that's okay. You can go ahead with that. Once you log in, it will show you this particular window. Now listen to me carefully. Here you can see three different options to generate the question paper or a worksheet, right? So the standard way is the basic way how we want to generate the question paper. Step by step, we'll be looking into that, everything. Next is HOTS, which is higher on the order thinking questions. And the last one is specialist. So let's start with standard part first. So here, I need to enter the title for my question paper. That is chapter name, topic name, and the section. So let me put up the chapter name. Let me go ahead with light, and the topic name is refraction of light. And I'm generating this for grade 10. Oh, sorry. Yep. All right. So the first option for contained source which I have is content source, which is topic search. So topic search, when I click, it will give me the text box over here where I need to enter the topic name so that this prep AI tool will internally search for this data for this particular topic in its inbuilt database, right? So if at all it finds it out, it will give you the data over here. All right, that's fantastic. See, here we got the data from Prep AI. Okay. If you don't want to go ahead with the data given by it, let's go to the next option. We have four options. Yes, you heard me right. We have four options. The second one is type or paste the text. So you can type in your text or you can copy or paste it from some authentic site. Right. So in the previous video, teachers, we have discussed about ChatGPT. So I can send this query to ChatGPT also. Here is my account for ChatGPT. Let me generate this query for the GPT and let me get the data for refraction of light. So theory of, okay, let me say theory and applications of refraction of light. Here you go. It is generating the theory for us. Applications also it is listing down for us. That's wonderful. Great. So here I get the ready-made data. Nice. So here I'm clicking on this icon so that I can copy the data. Data is copied to the clipboard. I'll go back to Prep AI where I wish to copy and paste the text in the second option. Control V. And here the data is pasted, right? This is one way. Another option we have over here, which is video, the third option that you can see. So here I can paste a YouTube video link which you might have shown to your children and you want to check their understanding on that basis, or you want to you liked something from that video which you want to share with your children. So here I have copied the YouTube link. I'm going to take this. I'll just take this YouTube link which is related to my topic and I will paste it here. Yeah, now check what other option, what flexibility it gives you. Click here to select the duration. So not necessarily the entire video you find relevant for your worksheet or the question paper. Maybe I found that let's say out of 7 or 8 minutes of video, I found only first 5 minutes relevant, right? So I'll just say 0 to 5 and that's it. I'm done. Now the another option that we have is upload a document. So I will click on that. So a document in the sense I can upload a PDF file which I have already with me from NCRT website. We get a PDF of all different grades and their respective chapters. So if you want, you can download that PDF and can upload here as a source as well. Okay, these are the sources, contain sources which you need to give as an input. Now the next one is to select the question type, which is very, very important. Look at the options it is giving us. Easy MCQs, medium MCQs, hard, true, false questions, descriptive types, and then fill-ups. So here I'm going to, now for the example, I'm going to select for medium MCQs, some true, false, and descriptive type questions. All right. Now after selecting the type of question, I'll go ahead with select the number of questions. So I'll now say 5 questions out there and let's generate the questions. Yeah, question paper is being generated. Meanwhile, do you think your recent question paper? What do you think of your recent question paper? Oh, I liked it. I tried this before, so I liked it a lot. Submitting. Wow, it is working on magic. So good things take a little while to come out, teachers. So just let's wait till it goes 100%. So there are many different options which you can figure out. It is really fantastic. I tried this. And further, once it has been generated, you can download that in multiple formats. Yes, you heard me right. You can download that in three different formats. One is a PDF one. Second one is a doc, which is a document which is editable. You can edit however you want and in a Excel format as well. Okay, here we go. We've got the questions. So it has generated nice easy MCQs. Oh wow. It has generated easy also for us, which is 17 MCQs. Then medium again 17, hard 5 MCQs, true or false 16 and descriptive 4 questions. Let's go and check. And you can see the view answer tab also. You can check the answer and you can verify whether it is correct or not. Since you have already taken the data from the authentic sites, then definitely you don't have to worry about the data or the answers. That will be correct. So here's the page. Here was page 1. I'm going on to the next page to see the other type of questions there. So here is question number 14, 15, 16. These are different types of MCQs that we have. Okay, great. These are the different types of questions. Okay, now let's see the preview of it. Wow, here it shows in this way. Now here again it gives you the option to edit the questions. If you feel like you want to go back and edit some of the questions, you don't like the questions generated, one or two questions, it gives you that flexibility as well. Or else, finally, you can finalize those questions and can go ahead. Also, another option is to create additional sets. So in that set, you can altogether give different numbers of questions. You can shuffle the orders of the question, or you may give different types of questions itself, right? And you can conduct the online test as well. So here I'm going to click on finalize questions right now. And here you can see the window is appearing at the background. Here it is. It gives me the download option. So let's check out download in PDF, in doc, in Excel, and also it gives me the get answer tab. So let me click on download in doc. All right, here it has been downloaded on my system. So let me just open it here. Okay, I think I need to share this part of my screen so that you'll be able to see. Yes, here it is. Yeah. So here is the light refraction of light grade 10. These MCQs are there. You can see clearly. Medium type of MCQs are there. Then medium hard type of MCQs are there. Five MCQs which are of hard types. So true false questions are also there, and further we'll have the descriptive questions. Okay, true false are also quite a lot. Descriptive four questions are generated. Wonderful, that's really nice. And then fill ups. So 17 fill ups kind of fill in the blank questions. Those type of around 76 questions it has generated for me. So this all depends upon what input you provide, teacher. So more and more input you give, it can generate more number of questions for you. And also make sure the data that you're giving as an input, that should be authentic. Okay, that has to be the authentic one. Now let me go back to the window of the. Okay. All right, so here we are. This is how it was generated. Now I'll go back and I'll show you about hot section and the specialist section. So we may not generate the paper into HOTS and that. We'll just check it out what is it there for us. Okay, and here was a tab called My Question Papers, wherein you will get to see the list of question papers generated by you. So here I tried and generated multiple question papers at any time of the day or the year. I can download it from this one, or else I can share it with my friend as well, right? And this way you can see the preview as well, right? So this keeps the record of most of the things. So now again, I'll click on generate question paper. So this is how it is giving me the option for HOTS. Now let's check what is there in HOTS for us. So this is kind of the similar one. You can generate the class test with the topic and all. Here you need to copy paste. So the content source is same over here. You can upload the video link. You can upload the document, a PDF, and the type of question. So I'll just show you the type of questions in the HOTS section over here. It gives you the flexibility of knowledge type questions, comprehension, which is very good for languages, and then application based questions, analysis questions, evaluation, synthesis. So as you can see, this is very well based on Bloom's taxonomy, right? So which is very, very helpful, and all being educators, we must follow this thing. Now the last section that we have over here is the specialist tab. So here specialist, in the sense, it is kind of specialized for a particular subject, for mathematics, physics, chemistry, or even for the aptitude. So for that matter, if I'll click on physics over here, topic based test could be generated, or the formula based test could also be generated. Now if I'll click on formula based, here it gives me the option to select a particular formula from the given list. So let me select density. So here it will give me the further option that I can choose the difficulty level, easy, medium and hard. So let me select medium and ask it to generate the question. So here you can see once I click on the topic subject physics, topic based questions could also be generated like Archimedes principle. In the drop down I'll get the list of multiple topics in physics, right? You may check for the other subjects as well. Right now I'm picking for the formula based test and I have selected density out of it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Just a moment. Hmm, yeah. So density and then medium, the difficulty level, and here we go. Let's generate the question. So here it will again generate the question for you. So it's really helpful, teachers. Please go check it out. It will actually help and will make your life easy and will give you satisfaction that you can quickly check the understanding of your students, right? One only limitation with the free plan this app has is you can generate only 3 question papers a day. So if you're just logging in and trying your hand on this app, so be careful. At least 1 question paper, you just watch the video very carefully, step by step, and then generate the papers. Otherwise, after 3 papers, you will be locked for the day. Then you'll have to wait for the next day. So 3 question papers a day. Please remember this thing. So here is the question paper generated and I can download that further. After finalizing the questions, I can download. So here it was all about the app or the easy tool I wanted to share with you teachers. Please try your hand on it and please share and like, share and subscribe my channel. Happy learning all of you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for the wonderful AI tools. Thanks a lot.